So you were telling me about perennial and annual pasture.
Yep.
What can you show me?
Sure, this is perennial pasture.
Okay.
And there's clover in here that we planted. There's actually chicory. We planted this chicory too, because that helps mine minerals. You can see the chicory leaves.
Wow.
There's a few dandelions in here that are good. Somewhere there's probably alfalfa, and then a variety of grasses. And so perennials sustain themselves year after year.
We wouldn't know. It just looks like grass. That's grass. No, it's perennial.
We work pretty hard to get
Yeah.
nice, thick.
It's beautiful
nice,
and
thick
it's
cover.
lush.
Yep.
How big is Crane Dance Farm?
Right now, between what we own and manage, it's about 200 acres.
Okay. How did you name it Crane Dance?
When I first bought the farm, in February, I bought it in January, and in February I heard this crazy, beautiful noise. I didn't know what it was. And I saw these two birds fly into the wetlands on the back part of our farm. And I later learned that they were sandhill cranes.
Okay.
And so they were here first, and it was their home, and I decided that whatever I did, or whatever we did, we couldn't mess up their home, right?
Right.
And so we named it Crane Dance Farm, and later learned in Eastern philosophy that the dance of cranes represents the joy of life. So as a humane farm, we want to make sure all our animals have that.
The joy of life.
Perfect.
Oh, it is the perfect name.